Now let's apply activation function ReLU on this. So wherever we have negative value, that will become 0. So we'll apply activation function. The activation function. After convolution, we apply activation function. Most commonly, ReLU stands for Rectified Linear Unit. ReLU simply replaces all negative values with 0. So this adds the non-linearity so CNN can learn more complex shapes and patterns. Okay, so in this example, we are detecting a loop pattern in digit 6. We have already applied feature detectors and got the feature map. Now this feature map may look like just numbers, but it actually represents detected features. Positive area shows a strong match, maybe edges or corners. Negative ones show weak or opposite patterns. So this is the feature map produced by the previous layer, that is convolution layer. Now let's apply activation function ReLU on this. So wherever we have negative value, that will become 0. So we'll apply activation function. So all the negative values are 0. So only remaining are positive values. Okay. And we can see that this feature is activated. We have detected a loop here. Okay. Very strong positive value. So this helps the CNN to know where the most important pattern exists. So again, ReLU plays a very important role because it removes unnecessary noise from the data. Negative activations does not carry useful feature information. So by zeroing them out, the network becomes more efficient and learns faster. So now we got the activated feature map. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Okay, so this feature detector will detect the eyes, we'll apply the activation function, and we'll get the feature map. Okay, okay. Another feature detector for mouth in the same process. So this one is for the legs, and this one is for the feet. We will apply the ReLU activation function. This step sets all negative values to 0, removing weak signals, keeping only the strong activations. Okay, so this is the output after applying the activation function.